Imagine yourself in this 2016 Toyota Tacoma SR. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include axle ratio, 4.30, 16x7J plus 30 style steel disc wheels, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, front center armrest, tachometer, ABS brakes and anti-whiplash front head restraints. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.